on stage to take you through the entire Copilot ecosystem. Callie, over to you.
Thanks, Satya. Let's imagine for a moment that I work in sales. My day is comprised of a lot of important but time-consuming tasks, which can take away from the time I spend building customer relationships and closing deals. That's where agents come in. Created in Copilot Studio, agents range from simple prompt and response to fully autonomous. They help with everything from prioritizing leads, to scheduling meetings, to fulfilling orders. Let me show you. I have an autonomous agent that monitors and fulfills customer orders on my behalf. It alerts me when there's a cross-sell or upsell opportunity. I can see one of my longtime customers placed a big order for more product. The agent is able to quickly fulfill this order and send me an alert that this is a great opportunity to offer the customer additional products. In seconds, this deal just got the potential to be a lot more lucrative. Let's take the next step and